it's your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. So today is part 2 of me fixing my room. I got some packages today. Shein, Savage, and Amazon. This is the wall. Which it is. They didn't put it in a box this time. They got it in this plastic bag thingy. And glue gun to get rid of the glue that's up there. Let me see. The Savage already opened. But I was like, oh, let me just. This is cute. Then I have the blue one, which looks like a mermaid type of vibe. I really like this medallion in the back. If you can see it. I'm sure y'all already know what the Savage X50 is giving. Same thing in the back with the medallion. This is like shimmery. Yeah, that's cute. My Shein. I got these nails. This ring, which looked like a belt. This is fire. I don't get my nails done anymore because they tried to play me last time. I have to find a good nail tech and I haven't found one. So, then I have these earrings. That say good. I see some designer earrings like this, but I forgot where they were, if they were Gucci or what, but it says good. This brown bag is too cute. It stinks, but I don't like that smell. I'm trying to air this out. I don't know why I put this bag on my bed, because you know people been saying that they've been getting packages with bugs in it and stuff. Alright, so these jeans look like it's not gonna fit, but hopefully it fits. The wraparound sweater. It's not even a wraparound. This is a top and you tie it. So they already put it for you, so it'll be easier for you to work with it. This don't even look the same white. Come on. Is it me? Is this off-white? Oh, I think it's the lighting. Yeah, it's the lighting. I'm about to have a whole heart attack. I tried to order another vanity, but all the vanities are sold out. I guess because it's near Christmas, everybody's getting their vanities and stuff. But I'm like, dang, everything? Maybe I shouldn't touch it, but I need to fix this. Making a mess. What you guys think? Should I leave that? I feel like this needs to be out. Yeah, I need to do this. They're probably like, she's messing up the wall. I am. Okay, that one wasn't so bad. Kind of like it, but this right here, I need it to be like that. So it's so, Okay, now to try to get this glue off, probably gonna take the paint off. Yay, it's coming off. It smells like citrus in here, and it's not taking the paint off, thankfully. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but, well, it took some of the paint off. I might have to paint over it, but at least the glue is off. This is a lot of work, so I advise if you do this, map it out. Trace it first before you stick it onto the wall. This definitely takes a while to come off. I was lucky at the bottom. Try it again, sir. Are you gonna mess up my wall, Daddy? Ooh. What? Good. Why is he tapping it like? You put it over there?
No.
Yeah, you put it over there. Where's the one you put?
Me.
No.
Why that's it?
I put 3 there. You have one in your hand. What?
Finish.
Why is he making a beat? Finish. Screwdriver. You gotta get a screwdriver. So my name is up. This looks so nice. This looks so cute. Let me put the light on. So this is with the light. Ooh.